Caleta de fuste. Zanzibar. What do you think of Zanzibar?
Yeah.
Alright in Zanzibar. Yeah.
Chill, very nice. Yeah, it's very
Germans, people from Middlesbrough and all sorts of things. Yeah. I mean, people from Middlesbrough, we don't like. Yeah. And Frank, there we go. I think you knew anybody. But yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Fantastic in here. They actually let people in with ginger ale, which is a rarity. I mean, people with ginger ale. If that comes across as prejudice, then I'm prejudiced. But this is the ginger bird. The ginger bird. She's going to start her own YouTube channel. It's called the Gingerbird YouTube channel. She is. It's changing.
Yeah, I'm dribbled on my top.
But yeah, it's good in here. So this is caleta de fuste, quarter on tier. This is my holiday shirt, which looks fucking stupid. And I'm sorry. Yeah, it's alright in here. And we've got German people looking to us, right? Across at the door. Yeah, it's good in here. Get yourself in here. If you've not been here, try it. If you can, leave a comment. But it's good. See you soon. Goodbye.